Hull Marina, Ava Grace, over. Yeah, Leslie, we're actually ready ahead of schedule. If you could do a pen out for me, please, over.
Yeah, no problem, Dave. I'm just in the office, so I've got 5-10 minutes and I'll just put the box ready for you.
Yeah, no problem. Standing by, over.
Want to make your way forward, David?
Yes, will do. Starting to move now, over.
Thank you.
So there we are, we're on our way. Just departed Hull Marina. We left at 08:35, so a little bit ahead of schedule. We're just going to make decent time as we go out the Humber with the ebb tide. And then as we go around on and up, we'll just have to punch a little bit as we get halfway down, the Lincolnshire coast, and then we should pick up a bit more of the flood by then. This really is the industrial zone of the Humber. We're coming past Immingham and Killingholme at the moment, so this is the big area of the docks. We're passing Clee Sands Fort, that's on our starboard side, and across on our port side is Bull Sands Fort, and then just beyond that is Spurn Point itself. So there we've got the forward guard boat for the Tetney Monoboy. Behind him is the tanker that's discharging, and then there'll be there's another one in the mist there guarding the rear approaches. So Janet's busy on the phone talking to grandson who stood on the beach at Skegness as we're passing. How cool is that? So we're just about to start to cross the wash now. In the far distance I can just see the Norfolk coast. So we've now arrived in Wells. Fantastic journey down. Blue skies all the way. Just got a little bit cold towards the end and the wind got up, but no problems coming in. Came in very early on the tide, so it was a little bit low on the water, but anyway, no worries. Just met Chris and Julie, two of our viewers. Always nice to see people come and introduce themselves. So I'm with Kate and Graham from Hullabaloo, and they are supporting Macmillan Cancer, and I'll let them explain exactly what they're doing.
So we set off on Easter Sunday from home, which is Topsham in Devon, and into a headwind all the way. We started anti-clockwise round the country. Graham sets off on his bicycle in the morning and I sail Hullabaloo, and we pick a marina where he can reach and we meet for supper. And some days I get to do a short journey and he gets to do the long way up the estuary and down again, and some days I have to do a long journey and he gets a short one, but that's the fun of it. We're not quite sure how it's going to work. We've managed to get about, how much have you done? About 800 miles?
About 900.
And I've done about 300 so far, so it looks like he's going to double my mileage. And we're doing it for Macmillan because I had cancer during lockdown and they looked after me with online support, and it's a fantastic charity.
And what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below of how to support their wonderful journey. Well, today woke up northerly breeze, only a breeze, not bad. We're not leaving today. I think today's Tuesday. I think we're going to stay till Friday. It looks decent on Friday, but it's cool. It's got got a little bit cool this morning. Forecast is Thursday, temperatures start rising again, so let's hope so. Anyway, we'll see what the day brings. The harbour's been reasonably busy this morning, boats in, boats out. We had a yacht in front of us, and he shot backwards because the tide's still coming in, and we've got the breeze blowing him back as well. He ended up handing off our bow just as I was getting up. Anyway, no problems. I think there's another guy, a Dutchman in front. He's getting ready to leave. So just been planning our departure from Wells. Looks like Friday is the day. Winds start to build a little bit over the weekend, and then the sea state picks up. So tomorrow we're looking at a forecast of just 2s to leave here in the morning around about 10 o'clock, and that will build to a 3 westerly as we approach the Humber. The sea state stays pretty benign, so I think we will leave Wells on Friday the 6th, is it? I think it is, yeah. Hard to know what dates it is these days.